Hey everyone, welcome back to the Collector Sword. In this video, I'm going to open up one of the new Walmart 4-packs and we'll see what's inside. I saw these come out online and hopefully this has the issue I want in it. So let's get started. Alright, so first off, we'll see that this is pack includes Image 404, which I believe is the Wonder Woman. Not sure, but those are some other ones. And we'll see what we get inside. This is the set that comes with the Batman and the Outsiders number 13 on the front. Let's see what's inside. Alright, and actually it comes with part of the Batman image. So it's this side here. Oh, there's 5 packs. Okay. So it's probably 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5 would be Wonder Woman. Cool. Alright, let's see what we got. First off, we got, of course, Batman, the Outsiders, 13. And the one I was hoping to get, Legion of Superheroes number 6. The first appearance of Golden Lantern, or Gold Lantern. I missed this one at my LCS. Got the second print, and I was really hoping for that, so that's great. Then Beak variant of Hawkman number 24. It's a nice cover. And the B variant of Aquaman number 60. I think both Aquaman and Hawkman are ending with the reorg of DC. So, but they're popular characters, so I assume they'll be back out. But really glad to have this Legion. And that's it for this video. I only picked up the one of these, so it's a short video this week. I still have to pick up some of the other ones so I can try and finish off that Batman image, and I posted it somewhere. Maybe I'll put it on the back of my wall here. Please leave a comment down below if you're picking these up and what you're finding inside of them, inside each one. And please remember to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell icon to receive notifications of future videos. Share with your friends and in other groups. And until next time, I'll catch you later.